Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders Monday Market Watch. Today I'll be showing you on some of the things that we've already spoken about on the previous video on this week, on what to expect this week. So this one is all about a recap and taking some trade with you since the market has already opened like 13 hours ago. Okay, cool. So we are going to be checking some of the couple of things that are going on in the market. First is the economic calendar. Economic calendar is these are scheduled events that are expected to be, they are scheduled for today. They're expecting some data to be released today. We have seen some indexes being released earlier today in the morning. This is South African time right here. Please just look at what's been happening today. Today we are only expecting housing stats for the month of March in Canada. So that is one of the biggest things that we can look out for today. Except for that, there is nothing much. It is Monday. People are coming back to work, banks and all of that. So nobody wanna release data on Monday. Okay, cool stuff. But we have already seen market moving smoothly this morning. So what I'll then do, I will go straight into the market and share with you guys on what's been happening right now. Cool. Oh, damn. So we just, we should have entered a sell there. I had marked this area as a sell zone, but it's cool. If market do come back to this zone, I will then look for a sell once again. So let me put in a sell limit quickly here. This, so I'll show you where that sell limit is in this particular case right here. So let me just go quickly mute this one, and then yeah, cool. So my stop loss in this particular case is going to be at least 30 pips above, and in this particular case 30 pips is 492. It's going to be 492, and then my take profit is going to be over than that. That is going to be 49,500, right? 49,500, 1.49, 1.49,500 in this particular case. So there is a take profit here, and then boom, when markets start moving into our direction, we are going to be profiting from that. So I don't know why this one is refusing my things right here, but yeah, simply because I'm very close. So my stop loss is very high here. So let me drag it closer, bring it closer to these levels. Going to update you and give you a new stop loss. The stop loss will be at least 11 pips in this particular case, and then there is going to be 1.50332, and then my take profit is still going to be 1.49,500, and then boom, we are in this trade. Now, when markets retrace towards the top side and trigger that limit order, we are going to be trading this market right here. Okay, cool. So let's look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP is the one that we gave out last night. And then we said if market breaks to the top side, we are taking a buy. If market breaks to the downside, we're taking a sell. In this particular case, I am taking a sell, and the market is on a direction of a sell here. Even if you go to a small time frame, you can see how market went all the way up and retraced. Now I'm expecting markets to push further towards the downside in this particular case. But Mondays are very tricky, very tricky, especially also with NASDAQ and all these other things. I am just waiting to see what kind of data we are receiving. And now yesterday, I also mentioned that we are buying GBPUSD. Unfortunately, didn't come down to these support zones where we wanted to buy it from. But now it is flying all the way up in this particular case right here. So some things happen. So you want to get that perfect entry when you are trading here. Okay, cool. So market on Euro USD, market did go down a little bit here, but market never went really down the way we wanted, and it started breaking the previous, these highs that we are seeing here. So I'm not going to be trading Euro USD anytime soon, since I don't have structure that I'd really love to see. But what can happen is that market can push down and then start going up, right? Can push down and start going up. But I'm not going to be taking any trade on this one. Then XAUUSD has been pushing and flying up and has reached the target level number one, which I am expecting now. That is how this is how I've labeled this level as target number one. So target number one has been reached. Anytime from here can be a retracement towards the downside, and then we're gonna look for buy entries in this particular case. But do not buy anytime now. Now it's already late. Just wait for market to give you a perfect entry. USD JPY, this is USD JPY, didn't really retrace to the level where we wanted it to go, but it started falling straight away. Very painful that we didn't get to enter this trade at the perfect time, but it's cool. And also USD CHF, as we mentioned last night, did move all the way up, but we didn't take this trade. That's very bad of us. Okay, cool stuff. ADUSD also in a bullish run, did exactly as we mentioned yesterday. So now ADUSD has been on a bullish run since morning, which is good. Then let's look at Euro CHF. I'm not expecting anything on Euro CHF at the moment. Let me look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY has done exactly what we said it's going to do yesterday, and it did break. Let me just quickly delete this guy here. So market did break towards the downside, especially when the market was opened lower than these levels. It started bouncing on that support once again, then started pushing up. So this is the power of a ranging market, as I did mention earlier. Ranging markets are powerful. You really want to trade them, right? But that's all good. Let's look for Euro GBP. Okay, I've already mentioned USD CAD. Boom. My trade has been triggered. I believe my trade has been triggered. Yeah, my trade has been triggered. So if you guys see this this market around this zone, when you see this video, please do get into the market around this zone and use a safe stop loss, and then trade with caution. Now, Euro JPY has come down to the level that we mentioned yesterday, but now we are looking to enter a buy anytime soon. So that buy can be taken slightly after this level right here. When this level has been cleared up perfectly, this level right here, if market do come down to this zone and successfully rest above and go all the way up, I'm going to be taking a buy on AUD/JPY in this particular case. Other than that, do we have more things to talk about? Not really. Nothing much to talk about. Can talk about Nasdaq in this particular case on a 1 hour time frame. Look at how Nasdaq is doing. It's breaking towards the downside. It was very true and very true to Tugo on that analysis that you made, that Nasdaq is about to fall. And look at where it's going right now. Very beautiful setup. So on a 4 hour time frame, I'll be waiting to see this market hitting some very beautiful lows and then start trading, especially towards the top side. I don't like selling Nasdaq. I only like buying. So it will depend on what the market gives us, and then we trade later this afternoon. Okay. Good stuff. That is all from me today. If you are interested in the free forex signals, do check out our link in the description, and also gives us a thumbs up and give us a thumbs up and comment on this video, and then subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. There's another video that I'll be dropping here on how to make money in the forex market today on this channel, to show you what sort of things to look at, what can you do to make money in the forex market just before you even trade in the forex market. And then also, if you are looking for forex signals and education, check out the description. If you are looking to contact me one-on-one for a one-on-one session, quickly go to the description and give me a text on the number that I've given you on the description. And then all of you guys here have a beautiful trading week, and I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. It's your one and only Ngubeko Mtiane. Shalom.